Welding activity, safety comes first. Please pick up your safety helmet and gloves to ensure maximum protection during the simulation. Select them now to proceed forward. Move towards the table to pick up the welding machine. Press and hold the grab button. Now move towards the table to the first job that requires welding. Press and hold the trigger button of the right controller to turn on the welding machine. Carefully weld the indicated area as accurately as possible. Now move on to the next task highlighted on the screen. Carefully weld the indicated area as accurately as possible.